For your next dish, you got your slightly smoked market fish, a pom puree made with a little bit of lemon thyme and some smoked milk. It's finished with a emulsion of peas and edamame and finished on top with a nice dollop of caviar. The next dish you got is a char-grilled fillet of Wagyu beef, a little roll made with a short rib, a little bit of foie gras in there and some pine nuts. Then you got a porcini fondant and a nice sauce finishing it, split with beef fat and then grated truffles, of course, on top.